Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to demo how you can transfer the Astar or the DOT from the Polkadot to the Astar network. More specifically, how you can do that to the MetaMask. So the Astar, it's a EVM compatible, so you can actually do that on the MetaMask, which is built on the Ethereum. And so first of all, go to the Astar network, to their app. Once you go there, you should be able to switch between different network. Like click here, you can change your wallet. You can connect to the MetaMask, or you can switch to the Polkadot. So if you connect to the MetaMask, it's going to ask you to log in, to sign in, and you are able to see the balance on the MetaMask. So this is the balance of your of my MetaMask. Actually, it's a EVM account, and you can also see that the dot. I don't have any dot on the MetaMask, the XCM asset, it's 0. So I'm going to show you how we can transfer the DOT or the Astar. So if you switch back to the Polkadot.js, now it's on the Polkadot. I'm going to connect to this wallet. And so to the Polkadot, you can see that I have some like Astar, right? I have some Astar, and this is the balance. And so now I'm going to first of all need to set up the MetaMask. So the MetaMask, you first need to add the Astar network. And so here is a detailed information. You should go to your MetaMask. And since I already added, but if you haven't, you should click this button and add network. Once you add, you should put the network name, which is here. I'm going to put those details beside the video, so you can copy paste the name and the RPC URL. You can use this one, or you can use their Astar team. You can use their RPC URL. The chain ID would be 592, and the currency symbol would be the Astar. So this is how you can actually set it up. Once you put everything here, click save. You should be able to see it here. So for example, this is mine, so you can see the detail of the Astar. So you can use this one. And then once you are done, you should be able to go to the MetaMask and switch to the Astar. So I do have the Astar. And then like another thing is you need to add the asset, because the DOT is an asset, like it's a token. It's a token like you are going to add on the MetaMask. So here is the asset, the name, and the address. So I'm going to click MetaMask, and then click the assets here, and then there's the import token. Now I need to copy this contract address. So I will copy this one. Okay, copy this one, and then the token symbol. Okay, it automatically will note that. And so this is the symbol and the token decimal, and click add. And so import. So now you do have the asset. I already have the Astar, and I already transferred a little bit Astar. I'm going to show you as well. And then now I'm going to show you how to transfer some DOT. And so it's going to be similar. If you go to the app, now there's XCM, and this is the one we are going to transfer the DOT. For the Astar, you can do the transfer from here, and then like the destination, you can put the EVM address. I think it should be the address here. So copy this one, put it here. Okay. And then it will automatically identify that. Right now, I already transfer one Astar to the EVM address, and so I will not. I can just demo one more. I will transfer one more Astar actually, and you can choose the speed, and then you confirm, and then sign the transaction. So it's going to send the Astar to the MetaMask. So this is the first thing you can send the Astar. Now the second one is how you can send the DOT. So it's going to be very similar, but the DOT, you are going to use the XCM on the Astar network. So let's just wait a little bit. Okay, so still go to the app, there's XCM. So there will be two different, one is go to the native, another one is going to the EVM. So the native would be the one you can see it here. It's a Astar network, and I already transferred a little bit to the native. Now I'm going to show you how to transfer to the EVM. So to the EVM, you still use the EVM wallet address, which is a MetaMask wallet address. So I will put it here. Now I'm going to put the DOT. So I will just put 0.1. Make sure you should keep at least one DOT. I would say 1.1 DOT in your wallet. So right now I have 2.3, and if I send 0.1, I should get enough. Otherwise, you like the DOT will be wrapped. So if you don't have more than one DOT in your wallet, and so now, wait, did I sign that 2 times? Okay, and so I would just wait for the signature, and then it's going to send it to the MetaMask. So that's a EVM wallet address. Okay, so now it's done. Now you should be able to find that. Now I will go to the Astar, and you can see that here. So I do have some like one Astar, and I also send 1 DOT, 0.1 DOT to the MetaMask. And so why like I should do that? Because in the future, when you need to use the dApp built on the Astar, some of the dApp, they actually need to connect to the MetaMask. So you need to send the assets from the Polkadot to the MetaMask. Okay, so I think this is a tutorial to show you how to send the Astar and how to send the DOT from the Polkadot chain to the MetaMask on the Astar. Thanks for watching. If you feel the video is useful, please subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.